Hello, what's your name?
My name is Catherine.
Catherine. How old are you this year?
I'm 45.
Oh, you look good for 45, you know. What do you do for a living?
I'm a treasurer.
Treasurer. Wow, mine. Bank.
Not in a bank, but in an office.
Office.
Yeah.
By the way, now, I'm sure when you read about the advertisement and you came for the talk, when you come for this 4-day seminar, do you have a little bit of, don't know whether it's true or not? Am I correct?
In fact, the reason why I came is I was a bit skeptical whether this is what I'm looking for, because I had an operation done about 4 months back, and after that my whole body was aching, you know, and it felt bloated, that kind of thing. So I'm a Christian, so I prayed very hard to God. I said, God, I go to medical doctors and they cannot heal me. They said, I'm fine. After operation, you expect to feel this for some time. But I'm saying, if I have accumulated a lot of toxins inside, if I wait for longer, it could grow worse. So I prayed very hard. My church members also prayed very hard for me. So one of the members, she's very spiritual, she told me and said, I had a vision that God will show you the way, you see. So, and then the next day I saw this advertisement in the papers. So I said, is this what is God trying to tell me? So I went for the seminar and I went for the preview talk. And I find it's quite interesting. Why don't I give myself a try? But at the same time, I was skeptical whether this is coming from Satan or what, you see. So in fact, when I paid the advance, after that I called Pauline. I said, Pauline, I heard a lot of this type of healing. After that, they want you to do meditation. You see, so I say, no. She told me this is nothing spiritual. You know, it is something that's good for you. So I came. So I was, in fact, the first day when I came, I was actually doing the chi exercise in pain because my abdominal muscles are all I should say freeze up. So after that, the second day it grew a bit better, but on the third day when I went back, my stomach suddenly feel very itchy and I feel a lot of all these rashes are coming out. So I told myself that must be the toxins coming out. So this morning when I came, I felt my stomach as if it has really shrunk a bit. So so I was telling myself maybe some of these toxins have already gone, and I felt less pain on my abdomens and all my legs and my back and things like that.
So in other words, these 3 days, the 3 days we have been through has helped you a lot to reduce the pain?
Yes, it has.
At first you were a bit skeptical. Now, how do you feel? Does it really can help you?
Yes, I feel if I do it if I continue in the long run and do it in the proper way, it will definitely help my health. Yes.
But you're really getting, by the way, when you go after the operation, you actually have very less energy, am I correct?
Yes, correct. I couldn't walk far, At first I was thinking, maybe, how am I going to stand for these 3 days? I said, when before I came here, I could probably stand less than 10-15 minutes. I got to find a chair and sit down.
But you were surprised after standing 3 days, 7-8 hours, you can stand for hours. Am I correct?
Yes, I can stand, but although I still feel a bit tired.
But still the strength is there.
Yes, at least I don't feel like wanting to sit down all the time.
That means, in other words, such a short time give you so much result. Of course, if you keep on carrying, definitely it will help you what you actually wanted. Am I correct?
Yes, correct.
But so, you were thinking about the, whether Satan or whatever it is. Is there any religious things here?
So far, no.
Okay. We don't have any religious thing, okay? And did your church members say you be careful or don't know whether it was Satan or not? Is that so?
No, they didn't know that I'm here anyway.
Luckily.
Because some people will try to dissuade you, see.
Oh, sure. These are we call the born loser. Okay, now, since you come, are you glad you really come?
Yes, I'm glad that I've decided to make my decision to come.
And I noticed that you have a lot of energy, now today.
Yes, I definitely feel better compared to the past few days.
And even though you've been doing so much exercise, normally, I mean, you are already weak, isn't it? And if you do 3 days like this, normally you will be flat already.
Yes.
What would you become?
Oh, I probably will collapse.
But are you surprised you got so much energy now?
Yes, I'm surprised. Instead of actually sitting down and flat out, at least I can stand, talk, and I think I can go shopping.
Does it really work now?
It works.
Only 3 days?
Yes.
Okay, now in this case here, as I said, you have observed we have been all talking about the logical explanation of the body and the system, and everything has to do with the body physical. We are not talking anything about spiritual. We are talking of what we can do with the body, what God given us, and what we can use by what God gives to us. Is that true?
Yes, it's true.
So in other words, you don't regret it to come?
No, I don't regret.
Okay, but on the other hand, do you dare to tell your so-called religious sister?
Well, I would tell them when they see me better, they will definitely ask me anyway.
By the way, your face actually is looking better today, am I correct?
That one.
You see a lot of people actually younger.
Yes. Actually, a lot of people, their complexion have improved
Even
tremendously.
Even Jungkook herself has changed so much of face, are you correct?
Yes, I have noticed that also.
Is real?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
By the way,